5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Blast off!
Oh shit!
Hey Martina, have you heard about the corduroy pillowcases?
No!
They're making headlines everywhere.
The logo would be, "Don't let your honey wear a bunny." And we're cool with that because the TIGRE is anti-fur.
I love you, don't say you wish you weren't born. Although the realities around us are so rough that everything may seem to be very cool to you. I love you.
Thank you.